Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Fullstack Explorers. First of all, I'll say thank you guys for reaching this far of the course. I hope you understands the basics of Fresh.js framework now. Now start from today, we will create small full stack projects, so you guys have much better understanding of this framework. In this project, we create a to-do app. This app will do the CRUD operation, which means we can add to-dos which will store and DB. Also get to-dos from DB and so on. Let's create a new project by copying this command. Let's paste in the terminal and get started. I'll name the project To-Do App. I'll go with Tailwind CSS as usual. Let's go to the project directory and open VS Code here by typing code space dot. Alright, we are in VS Code now. Let's open a terminal here and type Deno task start to run the project. It's started now on port 8000. Now open it in your browser. As you can see, it's running perfectly. Now let's remove this default UI first. Let's get back to VS Code and remove those files as we did in our previous video. First, I'll remove content in index.ts file, add to-do app in the div. Now I'll remove other unnecessary files. Everything is done and we don't have any errors in terminal. Let's check the changes in the browser. As you can see, the default UI is gone, perfect. Now get back to VS Code, remove the to-do app. Let's create a UI for to-do here. I'll use Tailwind to make the UI. I'm using Tailwind classes here. If you want to know how it's work, go to the Tailwind official site. You can read their documentation. Let's see the current changes of UI in the browser. Looks like we have an issue of width here. Let's fix the issue. Get back to VS Code. Change the main container width here. Fix the image location. Let's check the changes again. Looks perfect now. Alright, now let's add to-do UI below. Let's create a new file and island as we are going add functionality in client side. So as you know, the client side code work in only island folder and in routes the server side code works. I'll name the file to-dos as we will display all to-do here with buttons. I'll make the UI faster here so we can go for the logic as quickly as possible. Copy the function name from here, get back to the index.tsx file. Import that to-dos file here below the image div. Save the file and check the changes in the browser. Perfect. We have an input field to enter to-do name and a button to add in the database. Now let's create a UI where we display our to-dos. Get back to VS Code again. Let's make a fragment here first and wrap the content in the fragment. Now make a p tag here to display added to-do. I'll add static text for now. Let's make two button 2. One will edit the current to-do and other will delete the to-do. Let's check the changes in the browser. What's done so far? Great, we have the UI for to-do app now. We will add the functionality in the next video. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!